Find and replace in Word. Hello everybody. In this video we are going through how to use the feature Find and Replace Words, Microsoft. So let's deal with this article. Okay, here we have an article calling about the scientifically proven ways to be incredibly happy. Okay, for example, what I want to do is to replace the word happy by happiness. So I have multiple ways to do it, but let's do the first simple thing. First is to go here in this binocular icon, search and click, or click the Ctrl plus F button. So let's do this. Okay, so I will write. I want to search for the word happy. If I'm searching for the word happy, I'll make happy. Okay, and if I want to replace happy by happiness, I will click just here and write happiness, and then I will replace all. Or first I want to see how many words I have. So 1, 2, just right here, 3, 4, and 5 with the title. So let's replace the word happiness. Okay, so it's telling me that I have 5 times replace, and it's a success. So good. So this find and replace has worked very well. Let's see another example. For example, if I have these sentences with like this, and I want to put all these sentences in one, for example, separate by comma and space, and I have the other line, Okay, how can I do it? So first, if I click this, we'll see that we have this symbol. Okay, so how to replace this symbol? How to use this symbol? Okay, I will click the same thing, and I want to replace this symbol by this symbol. I can put this like this and this. This is the symbol. This is how I write this symbol, and I want to replace this by, for example, I click this, comma, space, and this. So I want to replace this symbol by comma and space, and let's see what's happened. Oh, good. So I have this. Okay, so no, I don't need these ones. Okay, so let's come back. I want to replace only this, click replace by this. And click replace all, and I'm good. So automatically I have all this. Okay, so if I click, I have one space, comma, at the end of the sentence, comma, space, comma, space, comma, space. Okay, so it works very well. So if you have enjoyed this video, if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. I will do another videos. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.